DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. I was cleaning up my workbench, trying to get some organization going, and I ran across this jar full of washers. Washers are expensive now, but they won't even come out, see? So they're all rusted because I guess they were in the rain and they filled up. So let's just try Magic Rust Remover, which is muriatic acid. I've got some other videos on this, and it's magic, and I thought, well, why don't I just pour some in here and let it sit for a while, and we'll see how it works. How about that? So probably only going to take maybe 30 minutes, maybe an hour. It's kind of cold. The hotter it is, the better this works. But this should eat up all that rust and give me back some nice washers, which are, Christ, they're like 50 cents a piece now or something. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, or you like these videos, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please like it and subscribe if you do like it. We got a bunch of other cool videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and bye. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and onward and upward. Yay. I forgot to check it after an hour, so it's been in here overnight. But it's been cold. Let's see what we got. A nice towel. Well, there you go, kids. Still some rust left on these, but these ones on top are clean, clean, clean. Need to rinse them off, and the ones that still, I might have depleted the acid, so you know, we're gonna have to use new acid, I guess, for these ones that didn't make it. Yeah, that's what happened. The acid's depleted. So I'll let these dry, I guess. I still got to do some other stuff, and then we'll use fresh acid and get the rest of it. But look at that, spotless. You know. All the rest is gone. Well, a little bit. Maybe I'll dump them all in again. Okay. But it sure works, doesn't it? Alright. Oh, you know what? I got some right here. Yeah, why not? Hopefully that didn't break the bottle. These decrepit ones. Let's get these. Ones that still got rust on them. Ones that are frozen together. The rest of these are cool. Fresh acid. Okay. Try to remember to check these in an hour. Okay, I guess it's been another hour or so. Let's see what we got. Mostly clean. I think this is really loose. Still looks rusty. But most of them are, perfect. Still a couple of them stuck together. Look at that, they're clean on the inside too. If I had a tumbler, I could tumble these. But I think I'm just going to rinse them off and it'll be good to go. Now this does heat the metal, the steel, but it's real slow. But it eats the rust fast. Okay, I guess that's it for this project. Onward and upward. Hey, by the way, if you guys like these videos, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So, do a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you want. Okay, that's it. Onward and upward. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.